Right, so Thursday morning, third night at the Glen Forza Hotel. And your thoughts are, guys?
Very nice.
Very nice, wasn't it? Very nice. Nice loungy area for your evening drinks. Food was fantastic. Scallops particularly were delicious.
Two of my langoustines were good.
A little airstrip. I'll go down and see if I can find a bit better shot of that for you.
Cool.
Yeah. So third night at the Glen Forza Hotel on the Isle of Mull. The better accommodation so far. Yeah?
Yeah.
Fab.
Very good.
So if you're on the Isle of Mull, come and check out the Glen Forza Hotel. Good food. Nice relaxed environment. We had the privilege of watching three planes come in last night. So, the Glen Forza airfield. Fantastic views. And those three planes with the blue cover, they're the ones that came in last night. Fantastic looking biplane. There we go then. Glen Forza Hotel. Best one yet. So after talking to the landlady last night, we were advised to go and track down a guy called Hugh and his wife Elizabeth. They were apparently the landowners where the memorial is. Obviously, I think Scottish access rules apply to anybody that's on foot, but not on motorcycles. So we're going to go and ask for permission to ride the bikes along the forest track, which will be a lot easier because I really can't be bothered to walk about 3.5 miles. Well, the curtains are open.
Oh, the horse is going berserk.
I was shocking I can see in that window, Andy.
I'm turning.
So I gather you are going to stay there then. So here we go. Fantastic news. We went and saw Elizabeth, and we've been given permission to access the forest track, so we can ride all the way down, hopefully to the monument, past these scary-looking Highland cattle, but apparently they're just wee bends, nice and soft. Just go around them now, Sean. That's terrible, isn't it? That's terrible.
Oh, that one would look good on the front of your car, wouldn't it?
Oh, stay there. Right, so we've got about 3.5 miles down the track. A couple of Fords, and again some fantastic views. On the right here, Sean, I don't know if you remember, just behind that building there was an old ancient burial ground. You remember seeing that on the map?
Yeah.
So that little valley there then, Sean, directly in front of us to the right of the trees.
Yeah.
That must be the location of the crash.
Yeah.
That's up a hill.
Oh yeah. We're not going that far.
Droning that far.
Possibly send the drone up.
Possibly.
Watch out for them ferocious Highland cattle now, Sean.
Oh, they're just normal cows, it's fine. Moo. It's a nice little hut.
Lovely, isn't it?
Toilet to the back. There's the barbecue.
It's alright, that.
by a pit.
What height did you have the drone at, Sean?
Like 30. It's alright.
I'm just looking at these trees coming up here.
It's higher than these ones to the left at the minute.
Does it not look for them and swing out the way of them and that?
I hope so.
Should.
Should do.
Well, we're doing very well. It's still behind us, so...
Those categories a bit
Sketchy. Oh, what are these doing? Ooh. That's a
bridge.
water damage.
This little wooden bridge she was on about.
Potentially. So have a look at the Ford.
It's steady enough.
Yeah. Going just nice and steady then.
But what's
Nah, I'm not
underneath
going through that.
Couple of stones and then just concrete, Andy. You alright?
Go on. Steady. Well, we're doing really well with that drone, Sean. Fantastic location, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Try not to run through all of that. Oh yeah, here's that other bit of water.
Oh, there it is. There it is.
Careful, there it is. Got a bit of a step there, Andy.
Hey, there it is, look.
Wow.
Well, that didn't seem like 3.5 miles, did it?
Yeah. I don't think we need to go any higher than this, like.
Oh no, this is it.
I'm going to have it right up with my bike to the bothy. So there we go, folks. If you press pause, you'll be able to read that.
Or you could put a photo on.
Or I could put a photo on, should I just do that? So the crash location was just up there in that little dip. Apparently the plane just belly flopped into the valley. One of the survivors managed to come down, raise the alarm, and the other survivors were rescued, but unfortunately some were killed. And then they brought this propeller down as a monument, just because obviously it's easier access to get out to here than up there. So while we're here, I'm going to have a little venture up this track to the bothy, purely just out of curiosity. Because I've never seen a bothy, never been inside one. If I can get that far. Oh. Nope. Oh, that was tough. That was tough going. Now, I just know for a fact that them two down there are going to be, they're going to be looking at that. I'm out of breath. They're going to be looking at that screen on the drone, rolling about on the floor laughing. Oh. There he goes. So we sent the drone off. You'll see the footage, and hopefully he's going to go and find some wreckage that's up in that valley. Purely because we're lazy and we can't be bothered to walk. Right. Hello? Hello there. I've got a camera on my helmet and it's recording. Are you okay with that? Yeah, because the plan is I'm going to put it on YouTube.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can I find this later?
The channel?
Yes.
If, that's what I'm asking. Are you okay
Yes,
with...
I'm okay, but can I watch it later?
So by the time I sort of get it uploaded onto YouTube, yeah? But as I said, I've never been in a bothy, you know, just obviously to have a look and see what they were like. So have you been camping here?
I stayed here the last 2 nights.
Yes, uh-huh.
Yeah.
So, and where are you headed?
Now I think Mull.
Oh, right, uh-huh. I know you just hiking?
Yeah.
You not a bicycle, you haven't got a bicycle? No.
Yeah, I'm amazing all the
Yes. And how long have you been hiking?
Now,
10 days. Yes, yes.
but in Mull, this is
Right. So my name's Graham. And your name?
Jimena.
Emela?
Jimena.
Jimena. So I found some Avon Skin So Soft. That's what we've been using down in the valley for the midgie. I think it works really well. Yeah, quite a shelter. I think anybody caught in some bad weather would be extremely grateful and find this a 5-star accommodation, I think. Yeah, fantastic. Okay.
And the garbage you always say.
You're taking that with you as well. Lovely. Okay, well, have a safe trip. Bye-bye now. Yes, I definitely think that you could spend a night or two here. Fab. Fantastic. Yeah, what a fantastic place. Lovely. So, there's the drone. Was that a wing? Was he doing a wave with the drone? Right, I know what he's going to do. He's going to wait for me to fall off. Theoretically, it should be a lot easier to get down than up. Theoretically. Don't fall off, don't fall off, don't fall off, don't fall off, don't fall off. There we go. Theory was correct. It was slightly easier to get down than it was to get up. The problem with these rocks are that they're always in the wrong place. You were asking about the channel? Yeah. You were asking about the channel? It's just on there if you want to have a look. Yeah, that's a channel. Fantastic. Okay, enjoy your trip. Okay, so now that's out the way. We've got the rest of the day just to chill out and ride around and explore the eastern side of the Isle of Mull.
mile.
What for?
So tell them that time.
To what?
The next place.
No, it's the ferry port on the other side of the island.
This is good. This is nice.
Quite gravelly.
Perfect for you, sure. The road in it.
Fab.
What is that big ship doing? It's got a big arm on it. Or is it an arm filling that ship?
Possibly. Oil.
Eh?
No.
There's
Salmon.
something
I'm
farming, something
just
on that.
concentrating, trying not to fall off the edge of this cliff.
Do not fall off there. There's no coming back from that.
So it's 1:30 now, and we're going to make our way over to the far eastern side of the island, and we're going to find a nice little beachy area, and we're all going to have a little bit swim, aren't we, lads?
No.
Come on, let's have a swim. Sean, Sean, come on, you've got your shorts. We'll go for a swim on the Isle of Mull, or well, not the Isle of Mull, the water by the side of the Isle of Mull. I'm sensing a lack of enthusiasm here. See, water's good for achy shoulders, Sean.
Not when it's that cold.
cold water swimming. It's good for your muscles.
Stop the filling with lactose or whatever it is, or acid or whatever, when you've exercised. Mine's already hurt. And
Oh, you look at that. Antivirus, it said.
did it?
Antivirus.
Is that where they'll go for the antivirus?
Careful.
I think that was a pork it is, wasn't it?
Aye.
Don't bring your virus onto the island.
Well, will not come then.
You know, for a small island, it's just colossal, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Just
I'll go
huge.
through there. I know, that's what I was saying. When you look at the map, and it's like, it's an
Thank you.
island. It's absolutely massive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we've been to just about every corner of it.
No, but just the scale of the hills and the.
You know.
I don't know whether they'll be classed as mountains or not. I don't know.
Certain height, innit?
Yeah.
I don't know what that certain height is like.
But just for the size of the island, it feels huge. Oh. Ching. Off your head.
Car coming.
What?
There's a car coming.
What the hell's he doing along here? Living? Is that a house on a blink in the middle of there?
I said it looked like a house in the water. Yeah, coming around that one. That's somebody that really wants to be left alone. That isn't it?
It's me job. It's me life. I'm living here.
Be on a raft or something, won't it?
Aye.
What's that? Is that still Mull?
Oh.
Oh.
You cannot point it to go, is that Mull? And we all look and then you slam the brakes on.
Yeah, you get us all to look and then we're around the back here.
Oh, I'm good at multitasking. I saw the sheep.
Didn't see a sheep though.
The boat there.
You're not going to get much better than here.
There's a spot, if we keep going round, there's a
The
spot
house.
on the left hand side. Do you not remember it on the map?
I think so.
There was a tent and some kayaks that looked like it was on the. Come on, where's your sense of adventure?
I've been on the soft suspension set this whole time.
Have you?
So I've just wanted to make it softer and I can't.
Well, them roads are going to feel mighty bumpy on the way back out when you go back on to normal.
I might just leave it till tomorrow morning.
A rock room. It's like a mushroom but made of rock.
How's that landed there?
Oh, I can feel it getting hot. It's getting hot.
60s went down half a degree. The last time you asked.
Stay there. I'll investigate. If it's got a lock on,
Graham, if it's locked, it means they don't want you going via.
come on, let's get the bikes down, get a photo.
You go all the way around, you can go around the back of that. Anya.
Wow, how lovely is that? Off we go. Well, that was just awesome, that.
Very good. 18 mile of fuel.
Well, so, what did we say it was? 15?
15 to there. It's going to be squeaky bum time.
Right, so what time we got? 4 o'clock. Dear me, time's just gone. Time's just disappeared. So we're going to head round towards Craignewer. This is where we're going to get the ferry back to Auburn on the mainland, but that's not until about 7:30 tonight. So we're going to head round to Craignewer and get some tea, get some food before the ferry trip back to the mainland, ready for our depressing, sad ride back home tomorrow. It's always the worst day, isn't it, going home?
Yeah.
Anyway, it's been a fab few days tootling about in the Scottish Highlands and Islands. Would you agree?
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah.
And it made my day seeing a whale today. Oh no, it was you.
Was that me?
It was you.
You should have said I would have spat some water out for you.
Oh.
I'd have showed you my blowhole, Andy.
Did you stop recording there?
No.
Oh, do that. So when it gets cut out of his video, Andy, I can re-upload it on mine.
Gravel in middle.
Hey.
Well, these roads are just mental, aren't they?
Yeah.
Loads of fun. Well, we're hoping that there's some sort of restaurant or some eatery that we can sit for a while and have some food while we wait for the ferry. Correctable. Have you knocked it off? You've knocked it off, haven't you? Haven't you? You've knocked it off, haven't you? So, ferry from Craignewer back to Oban on the mainland. We've managed to squeeze onto an earlier crossing. This is the end of our little tour around the Isle of Mull, which has been just fantastic. Would definitely invest in a few extra days on the Isle of Mull. I forgot to press record.
Oh.
I'm recording now a little bit. There we go, back on the mainland. Oban. Yeah, it should be this big white one here. Great Western.